Often when emergencies arise, big or small, we feel the desire to help. But it can be hard to know where to start. Can just one person really make a difference? Like a small seed, one person's efforts can grow into something bigger and more impactful than they ever could have imagined. One act of kindness can start a movement, and when people come together, absolute magic can happen. Recently, fires have devastated communities all across Southern California. Many families lost their homes, their schools, and their sense of normalcy. We may not be able to rebuild or ease every challenge, but we can bring hope.
That's why we're making seed bombs. These small pods are packed with seeds, soil, and nutrients to help regreen the areas that need it most. It may seem small, but these seed bombs will help bring life to landscapes that have been scarred by fire. They are a message to families and communities that we see them, we care, and they are not alone.
Like a seed, every one of us has potential. And together, we can grow through this. The world needs what you have to offer. Your kindness, your actions, and your willingness to help. Even the smallest seed can grow into something amazing. So let's plant hope together.